Are you finding that everything seems easy and comfortable in your life right now? We call that comfort zones. Today we're going to talk about the comfort zone, and I'm going to demonstrate how detrimental it can be to your life if you stay there too long. Please don't go anywhere because we're talking about it right here, right now. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. My name is Danu 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐚𝐥. I'm a confidence and mindset coach, a former stay-at-home mom, and I'm also a blogger. Today we're talking about comfort zones. I'm going to explain what comfort zone is really and how it can have a negative impact to your life only if you stay there too long. Let's dive in. What is comfort zone? So comfort zone is when you are at that place in your life where you feel obviously comfortable and you feel safe and secure. You don't deal with any challenges, no surprises. Everything is so predictable. You know what you're doing and you want to do the same thing over and over again. It's just like wrapping yourself in a cozy blanket on a cold day. Comfort zones are not just about us lounging on the couch, binge watching TV. They exist in many areas in our lives, and they are holding us back. Let me tell you more. We have work comfort zones. It's when you are at work and you stick to the same task over and over again. You're doing the same thing. You never look into new challenges. You don't try new things. You don't even think about learning new skills or technologies so you can advance your career. We have social comfort zone. This one is when you hang out with the same people that you've been hanging out for years. You don't look to find new friends. You don't go to social gatherings because it just makes you feel uncomfortable. We also have personal development comfort zone. This one is when you are operating in the same routine, the same daily routine without seeking new activities or hobbies. And you don't push yourself to overcome, some challenges or fears that could probably lead to personal growth. What about emotional comfort zone? This one is when you avoid difficult conversations that might be emotionally challenging. You suppress your feelings, your emotions. You don't want to release them to be out there because you don't want to be vulnerable. And you also afraid to share your story because you don't know what people will think, how you're going to be judged. And you're just living small. There are so many other areas in life where comfort zones are well established, but for the sake of not making this video too long, I'm not going to talk about them because I know by now you have an idea of what comfort zone really is. So how can the comfort zone really affect your life negatively? You see, the world is evolving so fast and opportunities are passing by so quickly. They come and go so quickly. You being so long in your comfort zone, you missed out on so many opportunities, so many things. And when you finally decide to step out, you realize that you are so lost, behind. It's better stepping out than staying there. But I'm just saying, when you stay stagnant for so long, maybe there is a new job waiting for you out there, new friends, new relationships. You never know what is waiting for you out there. And unfortunately, when you venture out, you might feel lost, like I said earlier, and it can be very harsh on some people. The comfort zone can also lead to so many regrets. Imagine that you venture out and you realize that, oh, you've been missing out on so many things. Some people might take it well and say, okay, I'm late, but I have time. Let me grab this, let me grab that, let me put myself back on the road, let me put myself back on track. But some other people might be so harsh on themselves and they cannot deal with regret. So what they end up doing is going back to their comfort zone, and they don't step out anymore. And they stay there, they don't grow. That can lead to anxiety, depression. It's a lot. All right, beautifuls, now is the time for me to pause and acknowledge you by asking you a question. My question for you today is, what is one step you are taking today to help you venture out your comfort zone? Write your comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Please take a moment to share, subscribe, and like my videos today. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you in advance. I have so many links for you as well in the description box. I don't have time to name them all, but you can also find a free ebook called From Self-Doubt to Self-Respect. And this is free. You can download it for free. I also have a 30-day guided gratitude journal. This one is on sale. And also, if you need someone, a coach to be by your side while you are trying to venture out your comfort zone, click the link down below to book a free assessment call with me. Before I let you go, I just want to remind you also that staying in your comfort zone is not the worst thing in the world, but staying in there too long can be an issue, because the comfort zone is a deserted place. Unfortunately, nothing can go there. This is 𝐒𝐤, always empowering you to rise above the noise and embrace the true you. Now is your time to shine. Let's shine together. Until next time.